Hello, my name is Jurriaan and I'm very excited to finally be able to show you the DXPR AI Page Builder features. So we're launching the beta version for the first time publicly, so everyone can use it. Even free users can use it, so we're extending all of our AI features to the free tier of DXPR Builder use as well, which is free for every website with up to 100 drag and drop pages. And yeah, so this is going to be a series of video, the first of which is about editing existing content. So this is the dxpr.com clients page, and I noticed a lot of other page builders are not capable at using AI at all to edit existing content. But we are seeing that most of the time spent by our users is in editing existing content, not creating brand new content. So I thought this would be an interesting place to get started. What I want to do first is add a new client in this university section, replacing the current one. So we have a much bigger contract with a new university client, and we're going to update this section accordingly. So I'm going into the section drop-down, choose Edit with AI. Edit this section to include Erasmus University and how they use over 100 DXPR Builder editor users to manage dozens of websites. Okay, that looks good. Let's see what we get. So I could have also selected just this text element to be more precise to the AI in telling it what I want to edit, but I'm hoping it will edit two texts at the same time. So the website address as well as the text box. Okay, it's gonna skip the website address. So AI, it never works perfectly. And that was kind of a key lesson for us, to embrace that it's not perfect. And as a consequence, we focused a lot on the undo, redo features of our product as well. So everything the AI does is auditable, it's easy to revert and inspect, but we'll show that in a later video probably. Okay, this looks awesome, but a bit long. So that brings me to another AI interface that is actually inside the text editor. So we've developed a text editor plugin that uses the same AI backend as the page builder. And you can very precisely select any text you want and apply transformations to it. So I'm going to say, make this text a bit shorter. Okay, that looks perfect. Forget about the website for now. Actually, our new client is a different university, but we're still waiting on their permission to publish their name. So I just put the university where I graduated here temporarily. Okay, what do we want to do next? Right, so one very powerful capability that is, I think, currently unique to DXPR Builder is that this, well, not complex, but this structured page with very different sections can be rewritten entirely with a single AI prompt. So while reading this, I found that, we've added these sections over the years. The tone of voice and the flow are a little bit less consistent than I want, and not entirely up to date with the tone of voice that we've created for the website. So I'll handle tone of voice separately in the next video, but for now I'm just going to say, rewrite this page for a more consistent flow and tone of voice, keep structure identical, and apply copywriting best practices. So I'm just kind of making this up as I go, but I think this will do well and it will serve well as a demonstration. So I'm clicking generate, and the AI will take a little bit more time as it's going to rewrite the whole page. Right, so I already like this header better. This is very close to the tone of voice template that we defined. Streamlining content with ease, I like that. So you can see the details, 100 editors, 1000 web pages, the details remain identical. And the writing quality is excellent. This is something that we've been focusing on very strongly at DXPR. So if you've used other AI writing tools, you might have been disappointed with the writing quality. We've really worked hard. We worked obsessively about focusing on not just capability in terms of layout and, well, we focused on a lot of things, but I don't want to put too much in one video. I also like that the visit text above the links has been changed to explore more. So that's, because I asked for copywriting best practices, probably that influenced how that was edited. Okay, so a lot of things have changed here, and we want to review exactly what was changed to ensure there's not any anomalies in there. So to do that, I'm going to local tasks and revisions, and I'm just going to click the compare button here. And this shows me exactly what changed. And I'm just going to skim read it quickly, checking that it didn't change any facts. There's 100 editors, over 100, that's correct. See how it changed the link text here and consistently did so. 1000 plus becomes over 100. That is correct. Alright, so this looks all good. And overall, I'm very happy with this edit, and I could never have done it in such a short time without AI features. So part of the secret of why our writing quality is so good is in how we handle and manage tone of voice. And I'll handle that in the next video.